What is up, dudes?
WC Nation?
We're back out here. We're gonna shoot some honkers. What do we got going on, Cole?
Oh, we got a little loaf pond that had about 200 in it. And we got how many decoys we got?
Counting floaters?
Yeah.
Probably, no, 3 dozen.
About 3 dozen between full bodies and floaters.
Right there, single.
Single duck? Oh, that's a honker.
Oh, we got a single honk coming in. Watch this, guys.
Jeez. It is 6:36. It is pretty early for a loaf.
He didn't want it.
Continue. He's going.
He wasn't really feeling it.
Yeah. We also have swans out there. I don't know if you can see them or not.
Quite a few swans. We got about 15 men here.
Yeah, 15 shooters.
15 times 3 equals 45, so
Big pile today. If they do it.
stay tuned for the...
Should we shoot at him or what? Just count to 3. Huh?
Probably should, but geese are gone, I think.
Everybody see the ducks? Yep. Alright, on 3, and there's a goose too. 1, 2, 3.
We didn't kill the duck. We didn't get one duck.
Had some woodies land to our left, and those we got guys over there. They're gonna try and shoot them and scare them towards us.
Shoot that one.
Oh, yeah, right in the middle of the pond.
Kill him!
I got that all on video.
Kill him! Everyone, let's shoot at the mallards on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, she's going down. She's going down.
They're coming back.
Lord have mercy on my soul. Come on, fuckers.
Oh my. Kill him!
Did you get that on video? That's the other.
Don't shoot this one!
Nick, there's like 30 behind these.
Why should we shoot him? There's more coming.
I just let him go.
Probably should shoot him if more coming. We should probably shoot him in case more are coming.
Yeah, we gotta shoot him.
Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Holy.
We gotta. Jacob, kayak, Aaron, go around.
Guns up, don't shoot. We gotta go around.
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Where should we shoot him? There's more coming.
I just let him go.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Where you want to go? Probably should shoot him if more coming. We should probably shoot him in case more are coming. Alright, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Holy.
We gotta. Jacob, kayak, Aaron, go around.
Guns up, don't shoot. We gotta go around.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my God. Hey, make sure on the left you know where everyone is over there.
Yep.
Alright, let's kill the ones in the decoys. 3, 2, 1, go!
I got folded too.
Oh my god. Oh.
I shot straight.
Does anyone have ammo? I'm out. I need 2 shot.
Alright.
Start killing them with heads up. Oh shit, another flock coming. Holy shit.
Fucking get these birds cleaned up.
Yeah, we gotta get. We don't even know where we're at.
I hope that's on video.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, they're out of shells.
Alright, let's kill the ones in the decoys. 3, 2, 1, go!
I got folded too.
Oh my god. Nick, do you have ammo? No. None of you? None of us. Jeez, coming. We need to get a count. How many we got? Here, go.
Between 25 and 30.
Go get ammo and get going. 3, 6. How many are here? 2? Okay, there's 3. We got 2 here. We need another one here. Nick, do you have any on the shore there? There's fucking geese all over. Like picked up?
What is he doing?
I don't know. More coming in.
Did he say it has a band?
I don't know.
There's a band?
Dude, hey, look, there's.
The group in the waterfowl, I don't know if they're naturally like.
There's a group coming over.
See that? Shootable?
They're up there.
Is anyone in those woods, Colton?
Yes.
See that one?
Well, yeah, but we're fine. That's pretty high.
Yeah.
That's too high.
Alright. If these things would fly away, I could shoot these now.
Yeah.
Yeah, can we shoot these swimmers now?
Yeah.
He ain't gonna fly now.
Alright.
He ain't gonna fly. Let him swim in. He's gonna have to offload some of those geese before he freaking
He just did.
Did anyone grab any over here yet that's brought them back?
We got the one that ran up.
Yeah, that's all right.
So we need 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. We need 21.
Yeah, they got a big pile over there. The kayak's loaded.
Which one?
Over there.
They dropped off a whole going nowhere.
You got crippled dog here.
There, I'm gonna go over there and start grabbing birds.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
My heart was racing.
If that one flock would not have turned, oh my God.
I haven't had that feeling killing geese in a long time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Aim lower.
Oh boy.
Yeah, what? You get closer.
Just shoot it.
There you go.
Shot all the time.
All right, let's get guys over here grabbing some of that pile.
Over there, they said.
Huh?
Just help me carry or what?
Yeah.
I think they have.
I thought he dropped the whole pile off.
They're bringing them.
He's probably got a bunch of yak still.
Oh, they do got one. A couple.
We need to get that one.
How in God's name?
You got one more round?
Those,
Yeah.
Wait. Wait, is there geese coming? Are those coming?
Where?
We gotta get the kayak out.
Those are
Oh, yeah.
far.
Yeah.
We need a count. We need 21. Nobody add anything without counting, so we know.
Calling in geese.
Well, he's bringing some back right now. I see one laying on
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Let's make sure nobody brings any on this side, or count how many. Okay, you guys have 2 between the 2 of you. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guys only had 7 over there?
Well, there's still people coming back.
Do they have geese though?
I think.
They're carrying?
Got a couple.
Yeah, they got them.
2, 3.
Three more? 3 more?
How many you got?
I got 3 and he's got 4 behind me.
Okay, so that's 10. How many you got?
He's got 4.
4?
Yeah.
So that's 14.
We just put them behind the blinds.
We are, and that's why I know we need 21.
They got.
Really close.
How many are there?
I need one goose right here.
One?
Ike, how many you got there?
One behind this one.
Colt, right. You got 6.
The other 3 right here.
Nick, your 7 got mixed up.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, the first one. Check the
I might not even shoot it. Hey, there's 7 right here, Colton.
Yeah, the front one?
Yep.
Well, that didn't work.
Yeah, you have a kid over there, Colton.
Where is he?
Right behind the geese.
You have to fly towards us. Where is Jacob? He's right there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
New flock coming.
New flock coming?
New flock coming.
We only need 2 or
Nick, you
3.
got any shells?
Well,
Turfman,
yes,
throw me a shell.
There's 1.
We can't.
Shot.
2 in.
Can't
2
lose
shots.
these
How many
4.
did you drop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
we need 3 more.
Okay, there's a new flock coming. Jacob, wait.
3 more. Those 3 are gonna all. Those
Yeah,
4 are gonna
all
all go over there.
We're gonna have to just get them after.
He has 2.
Yes.
Jacob, you have 2, right? What? How many do you have? 2. Okay.
3 more.
And then everyone gets cripples.
You say there's 4.
Who's shooting? Not me.
I'll shoot.
I'll kill 1.
I'll kill 1.
I'll kill 1.
We got 2 right
You're
here.
gonna land left side most likely.
Yeah.
Turkey. Not yet over there?
We gotta mop this pretty fast and say something.
Yep. The far right 3.
Farthest right 3.
Yep.
Go him. Done.
Oh, right there! Fuck! Get him! Fucking there we go! Shot that fucker and landed right in there.
Yo, hey, we need to get those. We need to get
the cripples. Get the cripples. Well, that didn't work. Let's try and kill 8. You guys ready? All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Five.
New flock coming. New flock coming.
We only need 2.
Nick, you got any shells?
Well,
Turkman, throw me a shell.
Just one.
We
This
can't.
is it. Shot.
We can't lose these.
Okay.
drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
We need 3 more.
Okay, there's a new flock coming. Jacob, wait.
Those 4 are gonna all go over there.
We're gonna have to just get them after.
He has 2. Yeah.
Jacob, you have 2, right? What? How many do you have? 2. Okay.
3 more.
And then everyone gets cripples.
Not me.
I'll kill one. We got 2 right here.
You're gonna land left side most likely.
What the hell? Fucking just come. Oh. Oh my. Oh.
Not yet over there?
Kill him. All right. Whoa. Done.
Oh, right there! Fuck! Get him! Fucking landed! There we go! Shot that fucker and landed right in there.
Hey, we need to get those.
Get the cripples. Get the.
Oh my god.
That almost failed me. Wow!
That one gets.
I got that on video. I didn't get it falling on you though. Fucker almost.
I look over and Cole's looking at me like a freaking kid coming out of a, I don't know, basket or something.
Yeah, dude, that shit bailed out of that shit. I saw 2.
You're like,
I saw 2 coming right for us.
Front of your blind, Joe. Who needs one?
you guys should have 5 total. You get 5?
Oh, that was cool. Jeez. Usually they don't attack.
Jacob, how much did you pick up after you had those 2?
I think that's 6.
So you grabbed 4?
Yeah.
Including this one in the water? Including the one right in front of you? Okay, so yeah, 2. Talk.
Good afternoon, basically. They waited a long time. We were worried that they wouldn't show up, but when they did, dear God, they came.
We went from digging up a bull skull to shooting 30 geese in 5 minutes.
We got a pintail.
That's the coolest part of the day.
Go show us your pintail. Go pick it up for everyone.
All right. Beautiful stud hen. Very nice, very long neck.
Is it going on the wall?
She might just end up on the wall.
Joe?
Good hunt. Had to wait a while, but it was worth it.
Is this your first water hunt ever?
Set up.
Double pants set up.
Wow. You?
We got a bullhead. Can't ask for much
A
more.
bullhead. You?
My arms hurt.
Ryan!
Things escalated quickly.
Tell us about your little deal.
Oh yeah, if you ever need a lanyard, look up Renegade Lanyards on Instagram.
Hit him up, he's the man.
They did it.
Cameraman?
They did it.
Definitely worth skipping a band hunt this morning.
Great morning, Cole. Thanks for having us out.
Yeah, of course. Brandon, what are we going to do tonight?
Hopefully get another limit in Minnesota.
Woo! Hit the like button. Cole, do something stupid
Why?
for the end of the video.
People want to see you.
Nice catch, buddy. Tempting to do tonight.
A limit in Minnesota and a limit in Wisconsin. We shot our 15-man in Wisconsin. Now we got a field in Minnesota that had 400 in it last night.
Setting the stakes high, but
Yeah.
this is the old spread.
Flambos. Walmart special.
We got about 3/4 of the feed coming from yonder, and the other quarter from yonder.
Oh, and there's two fat Tonys that landed in the pond behind
we
them
already had the
pines.
fat ones we were watching last night come early, but Roger here was still playing, so we didn't get those two. So hopefully there's still enough, but stay tuned.
Yeah.
Golden, you can call it.
You want me to?
Yep, you got it. There's two more behind me.
Kill him.
Let's go. Yeah, boy. Go. Yeah, boy. Woo! Clean up. Go.
Hey, more coming. Get these. More coming. Grab them. Grab them.
Done safety.
My fucking heck.
Please point it backwards. Nice shooting, boys.
Thanks.
Great shooting.
Good boys.
I think we know who was shooting the birds this morning.
Kill him.
Go. Yeah, boy.
Woo! Hey, more coming. Get these. More coming. Grab them.
Done safety. Point it backwards.
They're right here. Go, take this one. It's still alive. Kill him!
Where are they?
Straight up! I shot. Oh, watch that one, he's it. Hard shot.
Yep, hard shot. He's a backflip.
Alright, boys, I'll be back.
Oh my God, I'm out of breath.
Yep, same.
Woo! We freaking mopped that block.
We mopped that ball. I cleaned that fuck.
I cleaned that last one out here too.
I shot the third to last one.
You're ready. Go.
Gun does not.
You're ready. Kill him.
Where are they?
Straight up. Oh, watch that one, watch that one, he's it. Hard shot.
Oh my God. Yep, hard shot. He's a backflip.
Alright, boys, I'll be back.
Oh my God, I'm out of breath.
Yeah, same.
Woo!
Now breathing in all this.
We freaking mopped that block.
We mopped that ball. I fucking.
Hey, man. No. So, they're blood too.
Want to kill him there? In the deep woods.
Never reloaded my gun. I don't want to shoot over you.
Holy shit, get him quick. Bunch coming.
Alright!
I didn't even have to shoot.
Alright, they're moving. Hold on.
Holy shit.
Go. Oh, we ended up 3 short of our 6 man. Cole, description please.
The first flock did it absolutely nasty, and we mopped them. We shot like 12 out of it, and then we had a few other, like the next 2 flocks kind of did it, and shooting wasn't great, but I think they're smaller groups. So, and then the rest of them are just kind of pass shots coming over the top.
They're
and
being
then,
cakesy.
We had a few land in that field across the road that we jumped up, and then we had 6 or 8 land in the pond down yonder. And we jump shot one, and then we had a 4-pack fly over high, and we were kind of hesitant to shoot, and then we're just like, we'll shoot, and then we ended up getting 2. So 27.
I got my limit today, so finally made the video. Nick, description please.
Wasn't too bad for a hot afternoon, I'll tell you that. They actually came out pretty spaced, which was nice. Not too big of groups, but we got a few to work pretty good and over the top. A couple ass shots, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do.
We ready for Kansas now, buddy?
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Can we get a like and subscribe?
Absolutely, like and subscribe. If you need a lanyard, go get one from Brian Cody at Renegade Lanyards.
Link will be in the description.